Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy tinda. First, gather your ingredients. About 500 grams of fresh tinda, 2 medium onions, 2 ripe tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, and your favorite Indian spices. Ensure everything is prepped and ready to go for a smooth cooking process. This easy method will guide you through each step to create a flavorful dish. Let's start with the tinda preparation. Begin by washing and peeling about 500 grams of tinda thoroughly. Next, cut them into small, uniform pieces. This helps them cook evenly. Then, lightly sauté the tinda in a pan with a little oil for 5 to 7 minutes until they are slightly tender. This step adds a nice texture to the final dish. Now, let's create the rich gravy. In the same pan, sauté your chopped onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in tomato puree along with your chosen blend of spices, like turmeric, coriander, and red chili powder. Simmer the gravy, allowing it to cook until it thickens nicely and the oil separates. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add the sautéed tinda pieces to your simmering gravy. Mix everything well, ensuring each piece of tinda is coated evenly with the delicious sauce. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish your gravy tinda with fresh cilantro and serve it hot with roti or rice for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.